Good afternoon, everybody. It is a proud privilege to host Mr. Piyush Goyal, our Honorable Minister for Commerce, Industries, for Consumer Affairs, for Textiles. Welcome, sir. Please give a loud clap. I think the first time he is coming to our exhibition for the industry. He has met all in the industry. He spent some 1 hour inside the halls meeting all the manufacturers. 1.5 hours. So, it is his industry. The popularity was something to be seen. It was like everywhere it was crowded. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. And it is our privilege for Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council and the entire gem and jewelry industry. So, as we always do, we are welcoming the guest. So, the guest welcoming will happen. So, our chairman will welcome. Yes, Bhas. With a bouquet of flowers and a memento, this is just an occasion as he has come, just as a token. Thank you. Thank you, Chairman. So this is a momentous occasion of IAGS, and now we are releasing a book on the cluster mapping. The Indian industry, gem and jewelry industry exists in cluster. So as per NSSO study, because Sir once told to us, I remember, that where is the data? You have to show the data. So there is the data, sir. With National Council of Applied Economic Research, we have studied more than 600 clusters in India, and they have come out with the report based on the NSSO. So we'll be releasing this study report in the august hands of Mr. Piyush Goyal, our Honorable Minister. This report will go all the way because our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has told to develop each of the clusters into export clusters. So if we have to reach 400 billion, these are the clusters which will help us. This study will help us. So after this, of course, as always, I would request our chairman to welcome just a few words.
So thank you. Thank you, Piyushji, from the bottom of our heart, all us exhibitors, visitors for coming here today. I know you have a packed schedule as always, but we were very keen, and like we've discussed, that you get a perspective firsthand of what the industry is all about. So I'll quickly, and I won't take a lot of time. The presentation is not coming up here. So the potential of our industry, and sir, you can see on the screen there. Are you able to see? Yeah. So it's $69 billion. Our exports today are 37. We still have 31 to go. This year we're bang on target. So compared to our export of 43, our actual exports April to August were $16 billion. So we seem to be on target for the year. Over here, we've already discussed this, 1,300 exhibitors, 2,500 booths, 77,000 square meters, 5 halls dedicated to diamond jewelry. We were lucky enough that you've seen everything today there is to see at IHS, but this is just a snapshot of what IHS is all about. We have our B2B first export show coming up in October, 11th to 13th. It's at the Grand Hyatt, and that's a B2B. We have 100 exhibitors and 600 buyers registered coming over there. So that's the next event. And I must share with you that just like IHS, we're planning to do 4 editions of this next year.
Incidentally, before I forget, Srinivasan is here.
He's here.
Srinivasan, ये जो आपका peacock था, we can borrow it for 6 months for the Dubai Expo. Huh? It may not be a bad idea to schedule for the Dubai Expo. The insurance निकालना. Dubai is a safe place.
Anyways, his peacock doesn't fly yet, so we're safe that. Okay, so that's our Dubai show. We are making a display center also in Dubai. So, GJPC will first time have its office overseas. And this is where we're looking for support even from the Commerce Ministry. We'll take you in detail. Yeah.
If you don't mind, this will make
No, we'll make it informal. There's all friends over here. It's a small group.
Expo.
Yeah.
This is such an important industry.
Yeah.
Sir, we have the mic.
Why don't you all consider at the Dubai Expo taking some place, while we don't have sales and all over there,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
taking some place, it's a 180-day expo. And at least the larger or very intricate stuff, or something like you showed some startups or that traditional crafts.
Yeah, we'll
Why
look at that.
doesn't your GJEPC pick up some place there? Talk to FICCI.
We'll talk to Fake. We've
And
already spoken to them. So
one
we'll speak to them.
week. So that means 26 options you can get. If you take two, maybe 52 people, you can select through a competition who has the most intricate and exciting stuff, which
Sure.
then people from all over the world can see there.
Sure, sure.
Like
We'll
you
do.
can show that artificial jewelry, what something you showed me, man-made
Lab-grown diamonds.
lab-made diamonds. Any such unique things about India? Let's see if it can be showcased there.
Sure, sure. We'll evaluate that. We should look at that. Huh?
But something which should be out of the ordinary.
Okay.
Extraordinary people should be allowed to participate in that on payment basis, whatever is.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. Then we have this mega CFC coming up in Seeps and Surat. So at our last EPC review meeting, and I must share with you and with the group over here also, and since the media is there, the speed at which the Commerce Ministry is working. The meeting was exactly 4 weeks back, you know, and Piyush ji in the meeting announced 200 crores for Seeps and 50 crores for, for 1 CFC in Surat and Mumbai. And in 4 weeks, sir, after that Commerce Secretary came 2 weeks back, he had a meeting, and believe it or not, he's given a deadline to, all of us to make a presentation to him on 21st, which is Tuesday, with the plan. So we've appointed ENY already. We have the plan in place, and now we are presenting it to him. So that's as fast as we've been able to work. So thank you again for this, and I would really say this is going to boost, I guess, the entire export industry from Mumbai and Surat for sure.
Also, the transfer policy has come out for seats.
No, not yet. Dukti nas.
नहीं दुखती नस नहीं है वो फाइल एक्चुअली मेरे पास फ्राइडे आई थी. What I'll tell you what broadly we are doing. Media should not report this part. कि कौन है मीडिया में से यहाँ पे?
Samit.
टीवी भी है क्या? टीवी नहीं है ना? No electronic. So broadly what we are है?
हाँ है.
अच्छा चलो फिर पॉलिसी 2-4 दिन में रिलीज ही कर देंगे.
Okay, then we've spoken about this, including lab-grown diamonds in the PLI scheme. Sir, and if this can be done, so like you know, everything in diamonds and gold, we have to import, we value add, manufacture and export, or we sell domestically. Lab-grown is one brilliant opportunity which we have as a country, where if the machines are in India, we can grow the diamonds in India.
राजकोट से मशीन बनवाओ ना.
सब कर सकते हैं, but it's capex. That's why if it could be,
यार तुम्हारी इंडस्ट्री में कैपेक्स किसको दिक्कत है?
इतने जन जो इधर है सबको दिक्कत है. कैपेक्स तो हमको डेट नहीं मिल रहा है. IPO
उसका तो मैंने सोल्यूशन आपको इलेक्शन के पहले बीकेसी में आके दिया था सोल्यूशन. और कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है उसका.
सर look
उससे
at,
क्रेडिबिलिटी बिल्डअप होगी, फिर आगे बैंक्स आपके पीछे दौड़ेंगे.
सर ये PLI स्कीम में लैब ग्रोन if you can include, I think it will really help.
PLI हो चुका सब जो होना था.
Yeah.
अब कोई नया PLI नहीं है. अभी आप लोग इंटरनली सोचो, who are your top 10 पे? अब श्रीनिवासन क्यों ये मशीन नहीं लगा सकता बताइए?
बोलो श्रीनिवासन आप ही बताओ.
कितने की मशीन है ये? ये एक लगाएगा. तुम क्यों नहीं लगा सकते?
श्रीनिवासन सबके लिए लगा लो.
नहीं कल्याण ज्वेलर क्यों नहीं लगा सकता? रिलायंस का एक बंदा था यहाँ पे,
ये रहा ना.
वो 10 मशीन लगा सकता है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बोलो कितनी लगाओगे मशीन्स लैब ग्रोन डायमंड्स की? You should resign then. He's on your committee.
Oh,
By the way, your image of your company you're hurting by saying you'll have to ask the boss.
Sir, I'm a
You are an
retailer. I'm
empowered
not a manufacturer.
employee of
I'm a
that
retailer,
company.
sir. I'm a retailer. I'm not a manufacturer.
he's a retailer. So
They should
it's
get into manufacturing. What's the problem?
no, let the manufacturers manufacture and the retailers retail.
So anyway, jokes all lighter note apart. I think we should seriously within the industry. देखिए आपकी इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है जो क्लचेस पे नहीं बिलीव करनी चाहिए. डोंट लुक एट गवर्नमेंट फॉर एवरीथिंग. ये करो वो करो. हाँ, सीप्स इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. उधर ट्रांसफर अलाउ होना चाहिए, सिंपल होना चाहिए, और सिंप्लीफिकेशन के चक्कर में डिले हो रहा है. सेक्रेटरी पुट अप द फाइल टू मी ऑन फ्राइडे. बट अपना दिमाग ज़्यादा लगाने की वजह से वापस मेरे को कोई तकलीफ लगी, तो वापस अब मैंने भेजी है, 2-3 दिन में आ जाएगी. What I'm only trying to say is where it's our responsibility, we'll certainly fulfill it. But things like encouraging new industry, encouraging new technology, getting into new lines, ambitious way, he can get into it. Why he can't get into it? So, I have been to Surat yesterday. I can give you 50 names, people who were there yesterday.
No, who have
Who can
scaled
do
up?
it?
But we can scale up 10x if.
तो मैं 500 नाम दे देता हूँ.
Okay, I'll go on to the next
आपके
point.
industry. But no, I want to see serious progress in that. You told me 1 billion target,
1 billion this year will happen.
right? My sense is, if that is a little more reasonably priced, and as the scale goes up, it will be quite reasonable, I think, compared to these genuine diamonds and all that. I think it will become a middle class fancy. If it becomes a middle class fancy, sky is the limit in the potential. Frankly, Srinivasan won't do us a service. We are doing him a service by suggesting he should set it up. He will thank us after some time. And likewise, everybody else. So please, we must get into Atmanirbhar Bharat, that particular project, because it does show some promise.
Okay, sure. Then the next point is jewelry park, and we showed you what we're setting up. So we wanted inclusion of the jewelry park in the union budget based on the 12th five-year plan. And if a mega investment textile park, like how you have the scheme, if this could also be in it, then sir, it will only help us to consolidate this industry faster in this one place. So we're looking for this
12 say what has happened in this?
Sorry?
From 2012, what has happened?
No. In 2012, you had the approval for the textile parks. We are saying that maybe in the new budget, which is coming up next year, it can also be, jewelry park can also be like one of the things which the government takes up. Because to be honest, then we can obviously manufacture or build in a way which is much larger and more world class. Because otherwise, we're banking on industry to invest and then build and invest and then build.
Incidentally, I praised Surat yesterday because what I came to know was that 4,000 odd people, including many of you or most of you, have bought place over there,
Yeah, they
ranging from 300 to 1 lakh square feet.